Bruxism. By definition, it is an habitual grinding or clenching of the teeth, either during sleep or as an unconscious habit during working hours. Etiology. It has numerous factors, among which some are listed below. First, local. Mild occlusal disturbances, mild discomfort, chronic unrecognized tensions, children from transition from deciduous to permanent dentition. Second is systemic. That includes GI disturbances, allergy, endocrine disturbances, nutritional deficiencies. Then we have the third, that is psychological factors, which include anxiety, stress, emotional disturbance, fear, rage, chronic biting and chewing of toys, disturbance in dopaminergic sleep arousal changes. Last but not the least is fourth, occupation. That occurs amongst athletes, physical activity, voluntary bruxism, chewing gums, tobacco, and toothpicks. Then forward we move on, we do have the clinical features of bruxism, which include: first is effect on dentition, that is severe wearing of teeth, occlusion and interproximal wear. Second is the effect on periodontism, that is loss of integrity of the structures, loosening and drifting of teeth, gingival recession, alveolar bone loss. Third is the effect on mastication, that includes hypertrophy of muscle, that mostly includes masseter muscle, trismus, alter occlusion. Fourth is the effect on TMJ, that includes joint disturbances, traumatic injury. Then the factors are: fifth, that includes head pain and psychological and behavioral effects. Last, we come across the treatment. We can wear, the children, they can wear removable splints worn at night, botulinum toxin known as Botox. Here is a clipping that shows the removable splints that are worn at the night by the patients.